to show you how to play Every Time We Touch by Cascada. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the opening vocals. We're in the key of, we start off on a B flat, C, C, F, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, B flat, C, A flat, B flat, C, C, F, E flat, C, F, E flat, B flat, G, A flat, G, F, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, E flat, D flat, D flat, C, G, A flat, G, F, E flat, A flat, B flat, B flat. Okay. So you kind of go back between tonalities of F minor and E flat in there, but you got both tonalities represented. But starts off, there's your melody, your opening melody, and I'll put the chords with it. You're going to have an F minor, open fifth, F, C, to an A flat, E flat, open fifth, to an E flat, G, to a D flat, F. So you got an F minor chord, to an A flat chord, to an E flat chord, to a D flat chord, F minor. Since it starts off on F minor, the tonality is probably F minor, but then there's sometimes when it goes into the chorus part, it kind of ends in E flat, so it goes back and forth between those two tonalities. So put those together slowly and you can see how it fits. Going to do those same chords all over. Now the second time it does the same thing, but the melody ends here and then the chord hits. Then we go on. Right there, I go up quickly and I hit this button to put the rhythm on. Now I've got it on 140 beats per minute, and I've got it on a disco pop setting. So that's very similar to what you have in the recording. So I hit that, and then we go into the vocals first. Now the vocals, let me give you the notes first. That's A flat, G, G, F, 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 G, 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 A flat. Then we go, same thing, A flat, G, G, F, F. But here we jump up, A flat, B flat, A flat, G, G, F. A flat, G, G, F, just one A flat there. F, A flat, E flat, A flat, G, F, G, A flat, A flat, E flat, E flat, C, E flat. And it's easier to play if I don't have to say those notes, so it goes. So you play it a few times and you'll have it. Now in the left hand it's easy. You just go D flat, E flat, F, D flat, E flat, F. Now here you'll have to get a D flat, A flat, E flat, F, A flat, E flat. So it changes on that second line. But here I'll take it slowly so that you can hear it, and then we'll put the rhythm with it. I'll go even more slowly. Let's do it up to tempo. One thing I do is when I hit that, I let it run just a little bit so that I can get that beat into my system. I don't jump right into it and play it, because let it run and then it'll sound like you're coming in right with it. Let's get into it. interlude right there, I just go up an octave. So I play the instrumental interlude, but there's a little differences with the instrumental interlude. There's a few extra notes. Then they do a triplet right there. And they do a little thing there. They go A flat, G, F, G, E flat, A flat. They do it again here. A flat, G, E flat. Can't play it slowly and get it right rhythmically. A flat, G, A flat, E flat, C, E flat, C, E flat, B flat. And then they do it again. But they do the triplet right there. They started off with those three A flats. Then they go to 2. There's 3 again. And then they do a little crush C, B flat. Then right back to the 3 A flats. So all those notes are A flat, G, F, B flat. Here's an E flat. So you got a couple E flats in there. You see there it ends with an E flat chord right there. That's what I'm talking about on that tonality. And it's the same bass notes. Now let's put it up to tempo. So let's get into it. Coming out of the last thing of the vocal chords. Right there, it's tough because to get that little feel in there, if you can't get it, just leave it out, because you got to come right back with that triplet. So you either miss this or you miss that. It's kind of the way it goes, or you can just hold it. I don't get in a rush to turn that off because it's going so fast, but you got to turn that rhythm off to come right back into the second verse. And notice that I just held it, and then one of my hands will go over. So and I'll either go here or I'll hold one of them and do the other hand over. So let's go into there let's go into that so you can see how I hold it over there. So she goes real smoothly into that. So we'll get out of that. We'll hold that last chord, hit the rhythm, go right into the chorus. You play through the chorus once, and then you do the instrumental interlude, and then there's a little tag chorus where she comes back and ends with the tag chorus. So I'll play that for you right now. bass drops out and it's just her vocal. So the bass will drop out, the drums keep going. And then you're coming up with this. Just hold it to catch your senses a little bit before you come in with her vocals, because you got to drop down. It doesn't sound like much, but you got to go to here instead of back up there. So your mind is still focused up here. You got to go. If you try to do it too fast, you won't be able to stay with the rhythm right there. And that's how it ends. So there you have it by Cascada. Every time we touch. Hope you enjoy playing it. It's kind of fun.